location where we're going to be stopping off. Fingers crossed all goes well, it's not too much into the mountains, but we'll see. Looks really good on the map, so yeah, so that's where we're heading now. I can't pronounce the name of it, so I will put it on the video later. We're not 100% sure. It doesn't look like anything that's on the map apart from night. We think we might have to be over that way somewhere. But anyway, taking a walk down and we just come to the waterfall, I think. Yeah. Ready to sing to the sun. Hard to see to the sun, but it goes all the way down here, down there. Shame that the sun's in the way. Right, let me try and film it a different way. Right, so I'm up the top now. Well, sort of up the top. I don't know if I can go any higher. It's running down there. Just got to be careful. Right, we might need to swap in our stop because I think this is where we're supposed to be, here somewhere. So hopefully a bit later on we're going to come down and hopefully we'll get space here. Yeah, then we'll have the view of the mountains. Fingers crossed. Look at the view.
Yeah, because unless he just sits here waiting for a call, maybe, I don't know. The amount of bikes will go along here, I don't want to walk back up.
I'll go and drive you back up for you. Yeah. Right, we come across another waterfall. over that side. Look at the view there. Hopefully we will be able to get back over to that parking space, but we're not sure. People seem to be coming in now, but let's see what happens. Our view tonight. Hi everyone, so we are leaving. It is Monday, so we are heading home. We spent the night at this location, and what a lovely place it is. It was a little bit noisy, not too bad though, but yeah, look at the scenery in the background. So this is where we stayed last night. Gutted, but we got to go home. Everyone's got to go to work. So yeah, till the next one, I will talk to you later. Bye.